Well, not too long ago, the folks up at Holmes Community College took on an important mission of their own. If you're a fan of MPB radio, you're probably familiar with the Gestalt gardener, Felder Rushing, and his truck garden. Well, the truck got vandalized not long ago, but the folks at Holmes put the truck back on the road, so it's going and growing again. Take a look.
I don't remember how long I've had this truck. I bought it from my dad. It had 57,000 miles on it. It's in its third engine now. And so I have no idea. It's got at least 300,000 miles on it. I mean, it's been to Boston, it's been to Chicago, it's been to Dallas, it's been to Florida, all over the place. And guess what? I don't have any trouble with bugs on my garden because I drive way too fast. My truck, which is an antique, belonged to my dad. I left it out in the street one night with the keys in it, and some young guys came through looking for just a joyride, I guess, and they stole it. And I got kind of depressed, but we got the truck back. The police found it. 2 nights later, the police came up, knocked on my door, and said they caught them 3 blocks over driving my truck all stripped down. And I'm thinking, too young to be stupid. And they stripped it, they got everything off of it, threw away my plants, tore up my bottle tree, threw away my hula girl. You know, they were young guys. They figured they could ride around in a truck painted like a tractor and get away with it if they got rid of the bottle trees and the flowers. Hello? I mean, I felt okay about it because it's an old truck and, you know, it's a karma thing, and Santa Claus will keep track of those boys.
Well, I was reading in the Clarion Ledger about Felder's unfortunate mishap with his truck, and I was pretty sad. I've been following him for a long time, and a lot of our alumni and people that work at Holmes are big fans of his work. Here's a Mississippian that we can help. So we said, you know, what would be a great story with to showcase the college's career tech programs and also kind of bring a landmark back to Mississippi. And so we emailed him.
I got emails literally from California to New York, people who garden writers and other people have heard about it. And I found out real quick there's a lot of people that know me and a lot of people know the truck. More people like the truck than like me. When it first got stolen, I was describing it to the police, and the policeman said, "Mr. Rushing, we all know your truck." So anyway, the folks at Holmes Community College decided that they were going to chip in and help fix it up and repaint it.
I emailed Felder, and we immediately thought this would be a perfect project for Holmes. It would showcase our auto collision repair major, and so our foundation actually stepped up and provided the resources for the material. And then our students needed a good learning project, and we thought this would be a great way to showcase what we do and also work for a good cause.
Felt real good. I was relieved, I was relaxed. It's sort of like rewarded for being, you know, kind of calm about it. The folks up at Holmes Community College at their automotive repair technology program did a fantastic job of completely refurbishing it. They completely took all the dents out, they repainted it, threw a new transmission in it, put that old Silver Eagle back on it, and it's better than new. It looks so nice now thanks to all the folks who have helped with this. I feel like I need to put a sports coat on and tie my hair back just to drive it.
So we're glad that we've got to show off the talent that we have here. And the most important thing is that we're taking people and we're changing their life, and we're putting them through a program where they can get out very quickly and make a difference and make a good living. So that's a win-win for everybody.
The folks at Holmes Community College did a fantastic job, and all of a sudden I just feel like people are looking at me again. You know, I'm an old guy driving an old truck with an old dog, but I feel like I'm, you know, can an old guy feel pretty, I guess? I don't know. But anyway, I decided to go ahead and put bottle trees back on it, get my frogs back in it, a new gnome, and start planting it again. The whole idea of this truck was to show that you can garden anywhere, anybody. And if I can grow stuff in the back of a little truck, why can't I grow it in the back of a big truck? So now this painted, it's ready to go. I'm replanting it, and I've chosen plants because they're pretty, they're useful. I have culinary herbs here. I can eat roadkill if I have to. But also, they have to take heat and drought, summer, winter, rain, no rain, and according to the Louisiana State Highway Patrol, 81 miles an hour. Years ago, somebody whined because they didn't have a place to garden. I don't have a place to garden, I'm too busy. I'm thinking, anybody can grow stuff in a pot, you know, as long as you got something spiky, something roundy, something frilly, maybe a little accessory. And I'm thinking, why not do something in the back of my pickup truck? So I started out with a bag of potting soil with a couple of herbs and a tomato and a pepper, and it grew. All I did was get water whenever I got gas. A couple of years later, I got a bigger bag of potting soil, and then it worked so well and was so popular, I put this box in the back, had a special made box and fill it with special potting soil, kind of lightweight so it doesn't, you know, increase my gas mileage. Started planting all different stuff, and over the years, I found out stuff that looks good all year without a whole bunch of care. Some of it you can eat when you're tired of looking at it. Some of it just for fun. Some of it's cactus and succulents, you know, real trendy stuff. Some is old-fashioned things like the iris out of my great-grandmother's garden. But the idea is to show that in a small space, you can grow a lot of stuff without a whole bunch of horticulture know-how. Alrighty, that was quick, but it doesn't take long if you know what you're doing. And what I've been doing is showing that anybody can garden anywhere. This old truck of mine, it was my dad's truck and it got stolen, and we had it repainted, John Deere green. Remember that song? The whole town said it should have used red, but it looked good to Charlene, and John Deere green. Well, I've got a John Deere green truck and a little planter, and the fact is this old thing it's an antique 1988 and it's running again, and I'm gonna be showing people all over the South that if I can garden in the back of a pickup truck, anybody can garden. I want to thank everybody who's helped put this old truck back together, because we are going to roll on down the road now. I've gotten a lot of use out of it. I loved it. It's my dad's truck and all that, but when I got it back, I felt like, you know, like I had a chance to do something new, a new beginning. There have been so many people who have joined in and helped fix this truck up, because it's sort of it's an icon of hope, of gardening. It sounds real corny, but you know, whatever it takes to get the message across. Gardening is easy. I can do it. You can do it. I can do it in a pickup truck.
Thanks for joining us. If you like what you see, subscribe to Mississippi Public Broadcasting. Till next time, I'll be seeing you on Mississippi Roads.